In this video, I'm gonna bust some common motorcycle myths. Some of these might surprise you, so I'm here to set the record straight. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever heard of these before. Let's hop in and bust these myths. First up on the list is laying your bike down if you're about to crash. This might have been true in the old days, but not anymore. Back in the day, motorcycles had drum brakes and the tires just weren't as good. Nowadays, motorcycles have disc brakes, and some of them even have ABS. As far as the tires go, let's just say they've improved quite a bit. With the advancement of all this technology, motorcycles stop way more efficiently than they did back in the day. By laying your bike down, you're going to end up sliding faster and further, causing you to slam harder into the hazard that you're trying to avoid. Not to mention, it's possible you can get wedged between it. Also, now that you're laying down on the ground, you're increasing your chances to get ran over by another vehicle. My advice, practice your emergency braking and your emergency maneuvers. This is going to prepare you for these hazardous situations and you won't have to lay your bike down. This next myth, I take a little personally. Motorcyclists are low-class people. This is completely false. Just ask my friend Chuck.
You know what, Joe? This myth makes me mad too. I am a gentleman and a scholar.
Most motorcyclists are just average, everyday people like you and I. Some are mother and fathers, teachers, truck drivers, just to name a few.
Ooh, what about the motorcycle clubs?
Do me a favor, Karen. Have a seat. Did you know that most motorcycle clubs do fundraisers and charity rides? In my experience, motorcyclists are the most caring and genuine people that you'll ever meet. I've made so many lifelong friends from meeting them at fundraisers and charity rides. Let's get rid of this stigma and put this myth to rest. The answer to this next myth just might surprise you. It's safer to ride on the street than it is on the highway. And the survey says... The surprising truth is that it's actually safer to ride on the highway. This is because all the traffic is moving in one direction, you don't have any side streets, intersections, pedestrians, and simply there's less hazards to pop out at you. And most importantly, you don't have any traffic coming at you head on. According to the NHTSA, 90% of motorcycle accidents happened on non-interstate roads. Hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Myth number 4. If you use your front brake, you're gonna end up flipping over the handlebars. Yep, that's false. Did you know that the front brake does about 70% of your braking? If you flipped over your handlebars every time you hit them, why the heck would we even have them? The front brakes are absolutely essential when you're doing emergency braking. They're designed to stop your motorcycle as quickly as possible. Don't get me wrong, there are times when you don't want to use the front brake. For example, when you're doing slow speed motorcycle maneuvers like a U-turn. Just ask my friend Robert Simmons.
Now, Joe owes me 10 push-ups because he grabbed the front brake.
I did.
Moving on to the next myth, a full face helmet blocks your field of view. Let's get a little help from my friend Mari on this one.
Lie detector test determined that was a lie.
No! Some people use this as an excuse on why they don't wear a helmet. But the fact of the matter is, all DOT approved helmets must have a field of vision of a minimum of 210 degrees. Why is this important, you asked? This is important because the average person's peripheral vision is about 180 degrees. Picking up what I'm laying down? Yes, I get it. Not everybody wants to wear a helmet, and I respect their decision. I just wanted to get this out there so we can debunk this myth. I'm gonna let my friend Chuck introduce this next myth. Chuck?
This myth has to be true. Loud pipes save lives.
Okay, I'm gonna say this myth is partially false, and here's why. All the sound from your motorcycle exhaust is getting projected behind you. Most of your hazards are gonna be in front of you. So exactly how is somebody gonna be able to hear you if they're in front of you?
Well, whistle me Dixie.
Just think about it. Why do fire trucks and ambulances have their sirens mounted on the front of their vehicle? So people can hear them coming.
Well, yeah, I guess that makes a little sense.
If you're sitting at a stoplight and there's a vehicle next to you, sure, this might be true. It's going to be very hard for them not to realize you're next to them because your exhaust is rattling their windows. Don't get me wrong, I love the loud exhaust on my Street Glide, but I don't think it's going to save my life. I think wearing proper motorcycle safety gear is going to protect my life way better than the exhaust. Pay attention to this next myth. It could save you a lot of money. Police radar can't detect motorcycles.
Wrong again, Johnny.
Truth is, Police radar can detect your motorcycle. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit harder for them to lock onto you, but they can still get you. Technology has evolved quite a bit. Police now have a new radar system called LiDAR, and it shoots an infrared laser that can pinpoint your motorcycle. Just think about it. We have radars that can detect the speed of a baseball, and those things are pretty small. Need I say more? Just do yourself a favor, slow down a little bit, and enjoy your ride. You don't want your day ruined because you received a speeding ticket. Want to learn how to be safer while you're riding your motorcycle? Check out this video right here. This is Jogo with Jogo Motorcycle Adventures, and as always, thank you for watching and ride on.